Every developer knows the fatigue of writing the same repetitive boilerplate code over and over. You switch tabs to a web-based AI, ask for a snippet, copy it, paste it into your editor, and then fix the formatting. It is a continuous loop of friction. Claude Code lives directly inside your command line terminal. This integration allows it to operate as an active participant in your workflow, executing file operations and terminal commands as you prompt it. Typically, enterprise-grade tools like this require constant internet connectivity and a pay-per-token API key. An API key is a unique string of characters that acts as a billing password, charging your account every time the AI processes text. We can bypass those costs. By combining Claude Code's framework with Ollama, a tool that runs AI models locally, we can build a free, offline, and unlimited coding powerhouse. This moves us away from renting cloud-based assistance. Instead, you can run an autonomous coding engine that remains entirely on your own hardware. An AI agent differs from a standard text generator because it acts as an extension of your file system. While a normal AI simply outputs text into a window, an agent has the permissions to read your directories, write new files, and run system commands. To begin the setup, you must retrieve the installation command for your specific operating system from the official Anthropic documentation. Open your terminal and paste in the curl command. Curl is a standard tool used to transfer data from servers. Running this will pull the core Claude Code framework onto your machine. Next, create a brand new dedicated project folder and open it in VS Code. It is important to isolate the agent within this directory to safely manage its read and write permissions. The terminal interface is now ready to receive input. However, the software currently has no way to process your requests or interpret logic. To make this system functional, we must install a local intelligence layer. If you launch Claude now, you will hit an Anthropic authentication prompt. Linking your account here connects the software to their cloud servers, which immediately risks API usage fees. We solve this by deploying Ollama. This software allows you to download and run large language models, or LLMs, directly on your laptop hardware without needing an internet connection. For a standard setup, download the 2 GB Llama 3.2 model. This model is small enough to run safely on most consumer hardware, yet intelligent enough to handle complex coding logic. Once the model is ready, run the override command. This tells the Claude framework to route all its processing to your local Llama model, rather than searching for an external cloud server. The bypass is active. Your system is independent, generating code without costs. Now that the environment is live, you can transform the agent into an automated workflow manager. We do this through skills, a way to permanently encode your standards so you never have to repeat the same instructions. You define rules in a skill.md file. For example, mandating that when the AI writes Python, it generates unit tests. These instructions are auto-invoked. The system identifies the task and applies your rules, invisibly attaching the test block to the final output. Expand this logic using plugins. These bundle skills with MCP connectors, allowing interaction with external tools like Git or Slack. A single plugin manages multi-step processes. One command triggers a cascading sequence where the AI pushes code, runs tests, and deploys updates instantly. Using skills and plugins shifts the workflow toward high-level oversight. You set the triggers, and the agent handles the execution of the digital pipeline. Let's execute a live test to prove the offline system is functional. In your terminal, command the local agent to create a new index.html file with a specific welcome header. The system will pause to show a security prompt. This is a vital safeguard that prevents the AI from making unauthorized changes. Simply type yes to permit the file creation. Without you having to write a single line of manual code yourself, the requested file instantly manifests right there in your directory. By setting up a localized AI agent, you can now automate entire development cycles on your own hardware. This allows you to scale your output while maintaining total control over your data and your budget.